Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy phone stand. First, gather your materials. You will need a sturdy piece of cardboard about 8 by 10 inches. Also, grab a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of sharp scissors or a craft knife. Finally, have some strong tape or glue ready to secure your stand. These simple items are all you need to get started on this fun project. Now, let's assemble your stand. First, measure and mark a line 3 inches from one short edge of your cardboard. Next, carefully fold the cardboard along this marked line to form the base. This fold creates the angle for your phone. Then, cut a small, rectangular slot in the center of the folded section. This slot will securely hold your phone in place. To make your stand even better, reinforce the folded edges with tape or glue. This adds durability and ensures it lasts longer. Feel free to decorate your stand with paint, markers, or even decorative paper to match your style. Make it truly yours. Always ensure the stand is stable on a flat surface before placing your phone to prevent any accidental slips. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own easy phone stand. It provides a perfect viewing angle for watching videos, making video calls, or following recipes. This simple DIY project not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste by repurposing materials. It's a practical and rewarding craft. For more great ideas and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. Enjoy your new, personalized phone stand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.